There's the furniture clearance sale.
Let's see.
Here comes a windmill train through the North Town Yard. I just follow it down the yard, and that way I get the yard in. This is all the North Town Yard. This is a good place to get both trains as they pass.
The stuff is over on that side on the second
Oop, we stopped. So we'll just pan to the end of the train and then we'll be on to something else. Here it comes, it's going to cross the big bridge in the rock quarry. Yeah, I really like this scrapyard. I think that's nicely done. Yeah, so we'll get the roundhouse.
The windmill train.
We got him already. Here, I got the big boy. There's a big ore train out of the Duluth yard. It goes all the way down there. Alright, so there's a shot of Metro Transit North Star line. With Thomas in the background. So you get the... Yeah, we'll get 3. Here comes the tank train. It's got the Fred. He is.
Interior level. That's mostly what it is. Yeah, the third tool is interior stuff. Yeah. I know a little bit about that. Oh, you have to. My daughter has it. I bought it for her. She's got a 2014.
all the brain are up by the window. That's all the sidewalks, doing place for that thing, and all that stuff done.